Well, this is our Road Warrior. It's a multi-tool for us. It protects us and the public, and it also carries all the equipment we need, from cones to barrels to super cones, and also our traffic signs. Fairly simple for us to do a lane closure with this. We got normally 3 guys that can do a lane closure safely in this, 4 with a TMA protecting us. But we can set everything up from the safety of the Road Warrior. This is our well. This is where we'll set a lot of cones out of when we're setting up big long closures. This Road Warrior is designed where I can flip the seat so I can be facing the cones. While we're seat belted in the well here, we will have someone else on the deck harnessed in and roped up to the D-ring up above so they can't fall out. But they have free range to walk from anywhere from the back of the truck to the front of the truck if they need to, handing the guy in the well anything that guy needs, mainly the cones. Up here on the deck of the Road Warrior, we have our cones for setting up any kind of closures, our sign stands, the weights back here to add some weight so the signs don't blow away. We got our signs, any kind of signs we need. And up towards the front, we got more cones, and even got super cones up top, or we can put barrels up there. This is our attenuator on the back of the Road Warrior. This is designed in case where there's any accident, like someone crashes into the back end of us. It's helped to absorb the impact, and what it does is it accordions down and absorbs the blow. Our VMS board is to let oncoming traffic know what we're up to. Sometimes it's just some simple chevrons moving people over. Sometimes it's four corners on there just saying caution, slow down please. We can also put words on there to give them definite directions. You see our flashing lights, please move over, slow down. We do know that you can't always get over because the car's next to you, so just try and slow down and use caution.